Alright, we're doing it on edopro. I'm back with
Yep.
subduels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Dude!
Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. It's gonna be interesting. Okay.
I did have that one
Hmm.
too. Let's go 1 for 1.
The bell.
I'll do 1 for 1.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. That was
1 for
just my
1
friend is trying to call
activates.
me. Oh,
Summon one monster from your hand to the graveyard spot. Summon one level 1 monster from your. Oh, it's still a special summon. It's the same thing if I did that or that. It's just to thin out the deck, I guess. Numeron wall. Activate.
yeah. Sorry about
Send.
that ringing. That was a friend trying to call me through
Activate.
Messenger.
Numeron network. Numeron network.
Oh, that
From the
deck
deck.
again. Oh my
Numeron calling.
god.
I'll do 1, 2, and 3. That's it.
Oh my god.
3 number exceeds monsters with the same rank. Execution. Red hair. Fernando.
Okay.
You draw phase, I'll activate its effect.
Okay. Well,
Once per opponent's
yep.
turn,
I
click
already.
effect. You can
Well,
detach
good
one
thing
material from this
this
card.
deck doesn't really attack anyway. This makes you attack though.
Your opponent
Instead.
cannot activate cards and effects till the end of the turn. What is this?
Yep, that's fine with me. This deck doesn't rely on attacking though. This relies on the opponent attacking it. And it's not Mystic Line. I can tell you that.
Compulse.
Oh, okay. Well,
On red hair.
well played. I would have destroyed it either way.
Now I could activate
Interesting.
Numeron calling, Numeron network. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
If I get rid of one, do they all go? At all?
No.
Okay.
If I
That's
don't
interesting.
link them or
Okay.
they will all get banished at the end phase.
The effect of it. Oh,
Medusa
wait.
worm.
What? Yep. You'll see a lot about this deck. Like, once it goes off.
Effect.
Once on it. Dang it.
Oh, I should have did Bigfoot. No, it's okay.
Okay. I'm
Did you try
alive.
doing Medusa worm on one of my monsters? The effect to destroy?
Like, it didn't trigger at all.
Okay, because it was by battle. And cannot be destroyed by battle. Right? You tried to destroy one of my monsters with Medusa worm's effect, right?
No, I thought I would have been able to flip it and use its effect, but it didn't. The effect didn't trigger at all.
Oh, that's weird.
I think, like, for some reason, I think, like, rock, they don't like when it's battle and they do attack. The flip doesn't actually. Don't think. Okay.
Red
Well,
hair and Fernando.
okay. Now you're gonna do that thing again. But I have something to that.
Sexel. Attach.
I knew you were gonna do that. What if it's okay? So I just oh I can. Okay. So
Jeez. Bigfoot.
okay. Okay.
What? Oh, it's a face up guard. And it was himself too. Jeez.
Hmm.
Switch to
Okay.
attack battle.
Okay.
Sexel. Attack your face down monster. Giant guy.
Back to that.
What?
I will special summon this card. Now you can't special summon anymore. Except for Earth. So okay.
Bigfoot. Effect. Target and destroy.
Ooh. Okay.
Barrier statue of drought. Fernando.
Okay. Ooh. Huh. Yes. Let's go.
Draw face. Sexel.
Okay. Try and destroy that. What? May take damage, but I'm gonna do this. Gonna get rid of that card. Take 400 points of damage.
Alright, I'll take some damage.
Maybe. Okay, so I can't do
What are the cards?
anything. Okay,
What?
what you get?
I haven't. I have no more. What the
Mm,
fudge? It says I can still do this, so I could do one. I could do one and that's it. Third end though.
Okay. Yes. Okay, activate it. Build bow.
Catapult zone.
Yep, it's for rocks. It's a rock deck. Activate Attack of the Moon. I'll summon out Rockstone Warrior. I'll overlay. To this card. Tornado Dragon. Activate effect. Detach. Destroy. Ooh.
I don't
Okay,
even
but
know how to use this guy.
okay. Attack 21. Okay, my turn.
Here we go. Here we go. Bot of avarice. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Right. I already have him. I already have one of him. What? Oh, I don't.
The only monsters you can do with you're trying to do with spells, it won't work.
I don't even have another Numeron calling. That's the funny
Okay,
part.
activate this card's effect. Detach. Destroy the field.
Wow. That's so funny. I need Jar of Avarice. Pot of Avarice.
Do you have Jar of Avarice in here?
No. Maybe I should put it in here because I need those cards back. I went to
Yeah.
3 already. Look. 1, 2,
Besides pot, you
3.
should do Jar.
Jar. I need pot and jar.
Yeah.
This might come in handy. Come
Yeah.
on. Bigfoot. Activate. Really? That's okay. I'll target and destroy your tornado dragon.
Okay,
Come on, let me summon. Let me summon him. Yes. Special
oh
summon.
man.
Danger Thunderbird. I need to get to draw a card, but I'm just gonna battle.
Okay.
Danger Thunderbird. Direct attack. Finish.
Okay, that's game.
Alright.
Game 2.
Game 2. Let me know when you're done siding.
This might be coming in handy though.
Let me know when you're done.
I'm gonna do
Or
this.
Jar of Avarice. Where?
I'm gonna cut these down. I'll go first.
Okay.
Oh,
You just get behind you.
Okay. Oh, I can still take a big shot. You with this card. Let me activate it. Yes.
Network.
Activate.
Rock bombardment.
Send this card to the grave. Deal 500 points of damage to you.
Alright. Numeron network, Numeron calling from the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Battle. Number 3 attack, Gamma Seal. I'll take some, he doesn't get destroyed. Activate effect, but then network will activate his effect without detaching. Same thing. I'll take damage, cannot be destroyed. At the end, it's gonna double everyone. It's gonna destroy number 1. We'll destroy Gamma Seal. You'll take. Activate effect. Double. And then number 4 will attack you for 8k direct.
Dang.
Number 4, Numeron Gate, Katvari. Finish him! There we go. Alright, thank you mmwarrior56 for the duel. And sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.